We've arrived early here on the ground at Messe Berlin, taking an exclusive first-hand look behind the scenes of JITEX AI Europe. As you can see all around me, the main exhibition halls are buzzing with activity and still completely under construction. Right behind me, the IT Road stand is being built to welcome you, because from June 30th to July 1st, this raw space will transform into Europe's leading hub for enterprise AI deployment. IT Road Group is proud to stand among the major international players at this landmark event. We are bringing our proven 360 roadmap approach straight to Berlin to help organizations align their technology with their ambition. At our stand, you can meet our elite tech teams and expert consultants. Our focus will also look directly at the future of innovation with our enterprise AI capabilities. We look forward to exploring how our expertise in generative AI and tailored AI for coding solutions can help you automate complex tasks and drive concrete business results. Join us from June 30th to July the 1st at our booth H2.2A40. Let's co-architect your next milestone together. See you soon in Berlin.
Tech Connect by IT Road.